This is a famous Strata, Florida. Just started, so see how it goes. Going down into a bit of a dip now, boys. That's okay, no problem. There's a little bit of a water dip at the bottom, but we should be alright. Might as well do the whole fucking lot, Jay, if we can, and then just shoot off home afterwards, and that. You got lights. Big tree just there. I'm glad someone else saw it down.
Yeah, I take a long last one, I couldn't hear.
Yeah, I reckon. Is Jamie behind us?
I didn't really know it. Huh? Jake? I can't see him.
A nice straight bit down the valley here at the moment. I think I can see Jamie. I reckon it's men. It's quite rough where I am at the moment, but you'll be alright. Do you want me to slow down at all, or?
Yeah, because I'm going to need a piss again in a minute.
There's a little bay just here, Joe.
Are we going to do the FOMO?
We'll have a go. We'll have to have a look, see what it's like, but there's a route round it anyway, isn't there?
Think of what you do bumpy for 3.5 hours. This track goes both ways anyway, so go so far we get to turn around or something, but you
This bit looks interesting. Go steady down there. stay out there a minute, Grantley. It's very rocky.
Hang mate. Thinking obviously. Well, that looks fucking a bit. What's that, big bumpy or?
Very rocky. What I'll do is I'll just get out a minute and I'll take a photo of you two coming through.